Hey everyone, so today's video is about one of the most advanced spy tools for e-com and Shopify dropshipping in 2019. So a few days ago I did a giveaway on my Instagram account. I gave away a winning product for this summer to my followers, and like people went nuts. What tool are you using? Can you make a video about it? Stuff like that. I'm getting inboxes until today actually. So I decided to make this video so I share with you like a more over the shoulder, because I've shared the name of the app, many joined it and everything, but people are requesting an over the shoulder, like how I leverage it myself in my business. And Adplexity is the only tool I'm using actually in this year, because it got everything that somebody gonna need, and you're gonna know why in a moment. And this is the kind of tools like the gurus are offering it inside their courses and mastermind as the ninja tool bonus thing, that is very exclusive, because it's fucking ninja, and you gonna know why in a moment. So here is the tool. It's Adplexity eCommerce, and let me show you some cool stuff. For example, so the main element that we have in here is product strength, and by product strength it means how heavily promoted these products have been recently in the time period that you decide in here, in 7 days, 40 days, 60 days, for example, just so you have an idea. And in last 3 days, so you get the product that have been heavily promoted in the last 3 days, 1.3, 1.3, 1.2. So this is like what is trending right now, like you measure the actual trending product. And let me show you something else. There's too much cool stuff that I want to show you. There is the price, like you can look for products by price range. Either you want high ticket items or cheap items. Let's put 14 in here to have a little bit more data. And and let's check this product. For example, we have this one. You see the product strength evolution since it started being promoted, like 5th, 26th, 27, 28, 29, and now it's today. So this is why it's going down. It's still fresh. You can enable notification for price change. Whenever they change the price, you get a notification, and it pops in here. And 3 days that have been added to the store. 6 days ago, another one. No, this is a variation. This is the original one, because this is the one that got heavily promoted. And you can see the Facebook ad and see 23K, 7K, Friday. Like this is a winner. This is you can go right now, find this product on AliExpress, start selling it, and I'm sure it will be something like $3 maximum, 4 with the shipping. And it's badass. Like you can sell it to people into astrology, this kind of stuff. Let's move on. Another thing is, for example, let's keep this a bit wide. This I keep it around here, product that have potential, little bit up. And period, let's make it just 1 week, 7 days. And this here, and let's see this one, for example. So this is another product. This is one that you can start selling right now. This is a summer product. It went down because it's today. Otherwise, it's moving up and down. enabling notification to track it, because it's a summer product. It could be sold, like this is the period to sell it, and this is the ad. See, like it is like 14 days ago, and 4K more than all of these around. It's 4K, and it's really a 4K when you compare. Like it's 23K likes and 33 shares. When the shares are more than the likes or equal the likes, it means that it's a sick product. You take it, you start promoting it. People are promoting it for you, actually. Like you'll get tons and tons of organic sales. You know, these sales that you get and they are not tracked on your business manager is this guy. Like you share on your wall and a friend come and buy it. These guys are getting some ridiculously low sales, really. Like they are making shit tons of money out of this product. Like they can even take it and brand it. So you see in here, what do we have? What else? Ah, yeah, I want to show you something. For example, Hazel. I know this store. No, it's all right. Find stores. So in this area, like you get all the big stores, all the big players. You can select the small players. You know, you have this. So it's up to you. What do you want to look for? And big players just the last 7 days, or big players for 2 months period. You still have, you know, the choice. And let me show you, for example, this one. I know these guys, Hazel Club. Okay. So when you click to visit Hazel Club coming from Adplexity, these guys are fucking ninja. They send you to Google. I don't know how they are doing this. So to visit the store, you need to copy and paste, and don't go from Adplexity because like they are protecting their store like crazy. So this is the Hazel. When you go to Commerce Inspector, also you click on best selling, and again you are sent to Google. Anyway, with this tool, let's say this is their winner. It's 9. You know what is 9? Product strength. It's insane. It's like it's printing money, and they started end of April until 25th. They are changing the price and everything. Strength going up and down, and yeah, what I wanted to show you. We do this. I'm sure again redirected. This won't work. Anyway, I show you the ads. So this is the ads that they have right now. 1,000, 10,000 likes and 7,000 shares. And here, for example, when you come and you click to check the post, you find nothing. And this is what is cool with this app. Like when like your country is blocked, you still can see the ads of the competitor, and when they are hidden from the fan page, you can still see. Like they have nothing to hide. When they hide the bestsellers and redirects you to some page, you get the bestsellers. And what is it? Yeah, most promoted product from this store. So you get the bestsellers. Like you get everything that you need, like all the data that you need. And what else do we have? Let's check. Like there is shit tons of things. So I try just to show you like the coolest ones. Popular apps. So you can look for stores by app that they are using. What I go most of the time with the expensive apps, because only ninjas using expensive apps have like stores with some good stuff to check, like good products. And Trackify, I know it's an expensive app and you need to be good at Facebook marketing to have one, because it allows you to have 2 pixels and stuff. So you click and you get all the stores that are using it. And also again, store strength. This strength thing is amazing. And you check the stores that you have, then you go and you dig. And popular app, find a store, you look for the store, we've checked it. Favorite, You can add stuff to your favorites. You get notification from the new stuff, and yeah, I think that's it. I can spend like hours showing you cool stuff and going into products and stuff, but like this, I want to make this video short and efficient. So yeah. Right guys, so you will find below this video the link if you want to join Adplexity e-commerce, and you will have it's an affiliate link, so you will get 25% lifetime discount. And let me tell you something, like there is tons of tools contacting me, like at least 2 tools per week for a video review, and I always say no because like I check the tool and I don't see any value. Yeah, it makes me think like they are using the same script or something, or the same developer. With no offense if somebody is watching this, but like I say no. But these guys, when I checked their tool, I was like, what the fuck is this? I need to leverage this in my business. And now I'm sharing this with you, so have fun. See you in the next video. Cheers.